Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through step-by-step fixes for the connection error occurred issue in Musume. If you've been facing difficulties connecting to the game, follow these solutions to get back on track. Step 1. Check server status. Before doing anything else, it's crucial to check if the game servers are down. You can visit the official Musume Twitter page or forums to see if there's any ongoing maintenance or downtime. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes the simplest solution is to restart your device, power it off completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the connection error. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Musume. Go to your device's app store, check for updates, and install any available updates. Running an outdated version can lead to connection issues. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause connection errors. Perform a speed test on your device. If your connection is slow, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Alternatively, resetting your router might help. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy settings. If you are using a VPN or proxy, it may interfere with your connection to the game. Disable these services and attempt to connect to Musume again. Step 6. Clear game cache. Clearing the game cache can help resolve various errors. Go to your device settings, find the Musume app, and select the option to clear the cache. Restart the game afterward. Step 7. Reinstall the game. If none of the above solutions work, consider reinstalling Musume. Uninstall the game from your device, then download it again from the App Store. This can fix any corrupted files causing the connection error. Step 8. Contact support. If you've tried all the steps and still face issues, reach out to the official customer support for Musume. They can provide more specific guidance tailored to your situation. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips and tricks.